Hello, my name's Lizzie and I'm one of the co-founders and co-creators of the WFA programme. I've also had the immense pleasure of being a staff lead in a primary school this past year, working with a group of Year 6 mentors to train and deliver all of the modules within the programme. So I wanted to jump on here just to give you a few nuggets of information and some findings that I found when being a staff lead for the past 8 to 9 months. Firstly, I would like to say that the role of the staff lead can be taken on by absolutely anyone in your school. And actually, it works really well if you're not a member of teaching staff. Obviously, if you're not a member of teaching staff, that gives you the flexibility of delivering the training sessions at any time and also being there to support your mentors to deliver the workshops and not have to get class cover. So big benefit there. The other thing is, if you are a class teacher, obviously you might decide to do the training sessions during lunchtimes or after school, which works beautifully. But what I found is I take my mentors out of class in the afternoon when they have curriculum time, and we've delivered the training for each module over 3 to 4 sessions. So we've watched the videos, we've plotted through the workshop plan, they've kind of worked out who's going to do what, we've done little dress rehearsals, they've worked on their script, and then we go in and deliver the workshops. The workshops and the training can also happen anytime throughout the whole year and to whichever classes at all. I've tested the content with the whole of Key Stage 2 this year, and all the modules work with all classes across Key Stage 2. And what I will say is Year 3 and 4 really benefit and really thrive of having other children in their school teach them and work with them. They've been so engaged and so excited to have the Year 6s in to deliver a workshop with them. And it's made other students in the school be really excited about me being mentors for next year. It's also not just about the development of the mentors and also the children that they're working with, but you as a staff lead for your professional development. It is so wonderful to see young people learn the skill of facilitation, learn how to properly listen to young people, how to respond to what they say, how to give feedback, how to be engaging and enthuse other groups of young people to working with them, how to break down instructions, how to explain things, and think about whether the explanation they've given is good and clear, how to be organised and get together resources, how to work as part of a team. The cooperation they've needed to stand in for one another and support one another has been fantastic. And you as the staff lead get that and then some. You know, you've been able to nurture this group of mentors throughout their journey. And it's been so rewarding. In our school, we have all of the Year 5s at the moment, so desperately keen to be mentors for next year. So we're taking applications at the moment. And also all the classes that had different workshops this year have asked when they're going to have the next workshop. So obviously we did some workshops with different year groups. Year 3 and 4 had the health relationships. So next year they will have a different module and we'll work on it like that. So it's beneficial and rewarding for all. There's flexibility within that to deliver how you'd like to deliver it throughout the year. Obviously on the website there's that portal and that area of the website for you as a staff lead, and although there's lots of documents on that, they're just supporting documents for you. Once you've kind of read through that 10-step guide, everything else you do is kind of with your mentors by your side. So you would get into a training room and deliver the watch the initial training with Adrian with them and learn alongside them as you go. There's really not a lot much to it before that point. And obviously once you've done it for 1 year, your role is then really easy because the content, we have 3 modules. You'll have new mentors, but those 3 modules will then be delivered to different classes in the school. You already know the content, so you're just literally rolling that out again, but we're training new mentors and helping to impress upon them those skills. So we hopefully give you everything you need. And I've been reviewing the resources as we go along. There's a couple of tweaks and changes we're making this year, but nothing major. It's all there, and it's all there for you to be able to start you on your WFA journey. So please do get in touch if there's anything else you need, any extra support you need, or any questions you have regarding being a WFA staff lead in your school. I'm obviously very enthusiastic and have enjoyed it immensely, and I have no doubt that you will too. So we look forward to welcoming you to our WFA family.